place my hands over Connie's shoulders. This is my resting hand. And I'm just going to start circling around in the centre of the chest. Nice circle. Good girl. Good girl. And then I'm going to bring my other hand in and make some sunglasses. And then we're going to make some little pitter patters all over the chest. Spread our hands out. And then just a few more of our velvet cloaks.